Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our project demonstration. So, for our project, we have decided to do a self-service food ordering system for Kolej Ibrahim Yaakub. So, for this project, we have discussed 5 proposed solutions, which are viewing menu, placing order, menu management, payment options, and receipt generation. So in this demonstration, I will show you all the proposed solutions implemented in our program. So this is the first page. Upon entering our kiosk, this will be the first thing that you will see. So as you can see, there will be 2 buttons, the start button and the staff button. So the start button is for the customers to use. So for example, if there's a user who wants to order food, they will click on the start button. If you are a staff, if you are an admin and you want to add or remove or adjust any orders or items, you will click on the staff button to enter the staff management menu. So I'm going to do a POV of user first. So I will be a customer who wants to order food. So the first thing I will click on is the start button, and it will ask to enter the customer's name. So for demonstration, I will use my name. So click on OK. Upon entering my name, you can see that it shows this page right here, which is the options page. So the customer can choose between 2 options. Either they want to dine in or they want to take away. So just for this demonstration, I will click on the dine in button. And as you can see, you are going to be brought up to this place, which is the menu page. So for this page, you can see that it is complete with the category, the food or beverages. And then down here, you can see the options. And on the right side, you can see the carts, which, for example, if a user will click on any food or beverages they want, it will display here. And also below here is 3 buttons: to remove an item, to clear the cart, which is to reset everything, and also to proceed the payment to enter to the next page. So this actually will take off the first proposed solution, which is for view menu, because this is basically the menu for our system, for our self-service kiosk. This will be the design for it. So for example, if I want to order nasi ayam, I have to enter the quantity for it. So for example, I want only 1, and then it will ask here the notes. So this actually will take the second proposed solution, which is for place order. So because we are placing order, we are trying to choose our food, and also the notes, we can enter anything. So for example, if I don't want any vegetables, I can just do tak nak sayur. And yes, as you can see, the notes will be stored here for the chef to see, and the chef will do its part. He will not put vegetables for my food. So let's test out this button. If I don't want this, I can just click on here to remove item. Or if I want to reset and order again, I could just click on click cut, and it will basically remove everything. So let me just do that again. Enter and do tak nak sayur. And if I'm happy with my order, I could just click on proceed to payment. Yes, and it will bring to this page right here, which is the payment page. So as you can see, on the right side is the things that I have ordered, which is basically displayed here. Nasi ayam with the note tak nak sayur with the quantity and the price. Also, the total amount will be displayed on the left side along with the payment methods. And this actually will take off the 4th proposed solution, which is for payment options, because as you can see, there are 2 options here that I can choose from. Either I want to pay via QR code or debit credit. So for this, I will just choose anything, QR code, click on confirm. Yes, I'm sure. And in real life, in the self-service kiosk, I should be using my phone to scan this QR. But just imagine that I'm doing that in real life, and if upon doing so successfully, it will say that I have successfully paid 7 ringgit and 50 cents for the things that I have just ordered. And it will show this page right here, which is the receipt page, which takes off the 5th proposed solution, which is for receipt generation. So as you can see, the receipt is complete with the things that I've ordered listed right here: nasi ayam, teh o ice, and also the price that I paid, 6 ringgit for nasi ayam, and teh o ice is 1 ringgit and 50 cents, along with the total amount right here. So this have ticked off 4 of the 5 proposed solutions that we have made. So now let's move on to the staff menu. So for the 3rd proposed solution, which is for the menu management, I will display on here. So upon click on the staff button, we are presented with this page, which are for the staff to log in. So for the staff or admin, they should have their own credentials, because we need to make sure that the people that are entering this page are staff or admins. We don't want customers to use this page blindly and alter the menu. So for here, I already have saved a certain credentials, and we are then presented by the staff menu upon clicking login. So this should be the third proposed solution, which is for menu management, which is to design and implement features for staff to add, delete, and update menu items and view the order details. So here you can see there are 4 options for the staff to choose from. So for example, if they want to add a menu, I will try and add anything. They can just do so, and on the right side is the cart, and they can see that it has been successfully added in the cart. So that is for add. Let's try to see on the view menu. So the view menu is pretty self-explanatory. It just shows the cart with all the food and beverages that the cafe is selling. So as you can see, the newly added food is appearing down here, nasi kukus. And if I want to delete a menu, this page is similar with the add menu page, where the cart is over to the right side, and the left side you can see is the option to delete anything. So for example, if I want to delete this, I could just click on it, and I could just click on the delete button to delete the item that I have just added. So for the edit menu, it's the same style with the add and remove menu, which the cart is on the right side, but on the left side is the button to edit any details that I want. So for example, if I want to edit kosong, I can add the new text and enter a new price for it and save it. So let's see if it's actually changed on the view menu. So as you can see, it's changed to the things that I have just adjusted, which is ice kosong with 1 ringgit as the price. So now let's try to add the food again, and let's see if it actually will, if we are able to order it. Go nasi kukus and maybe add a new beverage, air jagung. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, it has been added. Now let's act like a customer again, and this time I will choose takeaway. Okay. So as you can see, it has been added down here, nasi kukus, the newly added menu, and the newly added beverage is also down here. So as you can see, it's just the same thing. And now let's choose debit and credit for this. So in real life, I would use my card to scan on the scanner. There should be a scanner for our kiosk, but let's just imagine that we are doing it in real life, and upon doing so, it will say successfully paid 9 ringgit, and it will show the receipt again. But this time for the dine-in location, it is takeaway. If you choose dine-in, it will say Kolej Ibrahim Yaakub, which is the cafe that we are at. But if you choose takeaway, it will just say the dine-in location for it is just takeaway. So as you can see, it is all the same, and it is the correct amount of price, 7 ringgit plus 2 equals 9 ringgit. And that is all for our project demonstration. Thank you.